Guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Hey, do you remember this video? Well, I know many of you saw this seat in that video, and it's in horrible condition. They have not had this vehicle in here in over a year to have it now detailed. We are going to show you our spot cleaner. We have never shared that with you, and we need to do it. This right here looks like it is tar, and then we have this over here, and this looks like it is gum or glue, and of course this right here is just plain dirty, stained bad. Let's clean it, and then you'll see how it works, and then I'll give you the mixture on it. We'll spray our concoction on. Now you got a good look at this seat and how dirty it was, right? All right. Now this mixture not only cleans it, but also disinfects it. But this is our most potent mixture because this seat is in such bad condition. This is actually our spot cleaner. So if you have bad spots in your carpet at your house or any stain that you want to get rid of, this is the stuff to use right here. We just scrub it in a little bit to the spots that need it, like this. And we'll let it set for about 20 minutes and then do it again. All right, we're going to spray a little bit more of the spot cleaner on it, scrub in a couple areas. I'm going to give you the homemade extractor, which is the shop vac, and then I'm going to show you what a real extractor will do. Now on these spots are already dissolving. Like I said, there's nothing that will take spots out better than our mixture, and I'm not kidding you. Look at that. You're seeing it with your own two eyes. Pretty dirty. It raises the dirt right up to the top. Now I'll show you how we do it with a homemade extractor like you would use at home with your shop vac and a bottle of water, hot water. Now if you have a headset on, you want to turn your volume down. It takes water and a vacuum. That's why an extractor works so good. Now look how much cleaner that is already. Completely gone. Now you see how white that is compared to the rest of the seat? That's all you have to do. Take your shop vac, go over it with water. Now if you have somebody that can help you, take a garden hose with a light mist and mist it while you're vacuuming. Or you got to do it this way. Or rent an extractor. It's the cleaning solution that does the work for you. All right, now I'll show you what the extractor does. All right, now when you see this seat completely finished, it's going to blow your mind. Theory behind the extractor is it has a sprayer right here. It does the same thing as the water bottle, only you're sucking it up at the same time. See that? Now this seat is one of the dirtiest that we've had to deal with as far as stains and grime deep into it. So we are going to spray it down with our solution again and let it set another 20-30 minutes. Then we'll come back with this right here, or you do it with your shop vac. So we'll spray it with our solution again, and I'm going to do the back of the seat as well while I'm at it. And then I'll give you the mixture to this, and it will remove anything. You've seen that tar that was there? Gone. These spots right here are just about gone. The construction glue. That's what that was. We called the owner, and that's what it was. He didn't even realize he had it on there until it actually hardened up there. But you'll love this stain remover. You can mix it up in larger amounts to clean your whole carpet if you want, or seating. But this is made for really bad spots. It's the strongest mixture we've ever been able to come up with in years and years. And we've actually improved it over the last couple of years. So we'll see you in a little bit, and we'll let this set, and we'll scrub it in. All right, we let it set another 20 minutes. The seat was in horrible shape. You can see it's already starting to come about. Let's do the manual homemade extractor, and then we'll go to the machine just to finish it up. Headsets, adjust your volume. Now watch how good this works. I'll just stay right in this area right here. Of course, it was real dirty there. Turn it around the right way. Remember that big stain right here? This does take a lot longer doing it this way, but you can do it. The glue stains are gone. It's always best to do this on a warm day, or have a fan and set it in front of the seat, dry it out faster. No different than having your carpets cleaned in your house. When the carpet cleaners come in, they put fans down or open your windows or do something to get the carpet to dry out faster. Well, look at that. That's where the glue was right there. Completely gone. Now we'll go to the extractor. Make a lot of money cleaning someone's interior in their car, and I'm not kidding you. Wait till you see this thing when it dries out. It's gonna look gorgeous. Remember that big black stain up here is gone. But that's why it does it right there, that spray. Ejects the water in, the vacuum sucks it up. But you can use your shop vac to do it. Looks like a brand new seat. Then you go over it without spraying it and suck the rest of the water up. Stains are all gone. Looks gorgeous. All right. There you go, folks. And I'll give you the concoction mixture next. All right, we got the seat done. It looks gorgeous. And we are actually going to hit it one more time just for the fun of it and really make the customer proud. And here's the concoction that we put together to make it happen. Julio, tell everybody where they can get this great mix.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
First off, we're going to use the Dawn Platinum, the Ultra Platinum, and you want to use about 6 ounces of it. And as I said, this will remove just about any stain you have in cloth, carpeting, whatever. It will remove it. All right, now you want to use your 99% rubbing alcohol, and you want to use 6 ounces of that. Okay. Then the creme de la creme. We started using this a while back, and it's amazing. The OxiClean Max Force, and all you do is squirt in 30 squirts into the container, and it's a sprayer. 3, 4, 5. Fill the rest with as hot a water as you can get right up to the top. So this mixture is good for a 32 ounce mixture of it. So the rest will be water, and watch those stains come out. You can use it to clean your carpet like I did the whole seat with this. And that's if the seat is really, really bad like that one we just did.